Hey, what's going on, guys? Assad here, and in this tutorial I'm gonna talking about the empathize tag, or EM for short. So what it does, it just like it is just like another tags which are like strong, code, sample, and var. It's just another one of them. So this is for empathize text. So what I'm gonna do is just write something called something. Yeah, that would be great. And I will put it inside the p tag. So put it inside that. After that, what I'm gonna do, use the em tag and write something, so you can oh what the heck, know the difference between two. So this is the emphasized. You see a minor difference, but it is a good one. So this is what it does for writing tags. So hope you guys understand. See you guys in the next tutorial.